video, we are restoring and transforming a 31-year-old helmet in an art piece. Hi everyone, we are back again with another transformation video. So in today's video, we are restoration and customizing a 30-year-old half-face retro helmet. So as usual, in first step, we will remove all the attachments, i.e. strap, lock and cushion from the helmet. After deep examination, we observe that the old paint has lost from certain areas and needs to be stripped off. We will use manual blade removal technique so that we can rid of all the old paint. After the removal of paint, we fill up the damaged base with filling material. After filler has dried, we will sand it down to level up the surface of the helmet and apply primer coat over the helmet. After the primer has dried, we will apply the base coat color that is metallic midnight blue. After the base has dried, we will start the designing process. First of all, we are going to lay some vinyl cut stencils on the back and a Celtic pattern strip on the top of the helmet. Add some more custom design on the top front of the helmet around the Celtic strip. we have started laying the color over the design area, we are going to use silver color and blue pearl to get the desired design pattern. After the spraying of colors is done, we will remove the stencil design to see the actual design formed on the helmet. So now we have completed the designing process and our helmet is ready for the next process, that is clear coating. We will apply 3 to 4 coats of high gloss clear to achieve best look of the helmet. After the clear coat is dried, we will wet sand down the helmet with fine grit sanding paper so that we can eliminate any kind of unevenness from the helmet and make it ready for rubbing and polishing. After the sanding process is completed, we will start the rubbing and polishing with fine grit rubbing compound, and then after with diamond cut polishing compound. Diamond cut polishing compound will make the surface totally smooth and will provide the surface of the helmet a mirror look, in which reflection of surrounding objects can be seen clearly. After the polishing is done, we will assemble the helmet parts. So here is the final finish of the helmet. We hope you will like this restoration transformation we done on 31-year-old helmet. For more such amazing transformation, do subscribe to our channel and make sure to press the bell icon button for the notification of our future transformation videos. Thank you for watching the video till the end.